this is a video to demonstrate the level command inside the Savu configurator. First of all, I've loaded the Savu configurator and I've created a process list. And by typing disp, I can display my process list. The first plugin is NXTomo Loader to load my tomography data. The second one is dark flat field correction, and the third one is AstroRecon CPU. By default, what I can see are parameters which should probably be changed every time this process list is applied to a different piece of data, and the fact that they're basic is highlighted on the left hand side. We can see that in that basic section. There are more parameters which exist, but these are hidden from view at the moment unless you have more requirements and settings you want to alter. So by typing level-h, I can see those three level options, and if I want to change to intermediate and set disp again, I can see I've got a lot more parameters on view to me. If you have a bit more further knowledge, or you want to have a go at understanding a bit more about the plugin, you can look at these. So we'll see there's intermediate section here, here, and here. And then what's also being shown is the datasets parameters. What's happening here is each plugin is processing your data, and sometimes you can select a subsection of that data, or you can name that data, and by naming those subsections that have been processed, you can pass that to the next plugin. So that's highlighting that here, and if that is useful to you, you can also type disp-d or --datasets, and that will also highlight the steps your data is going through and which plugin is getting which subsection of data. So back to the level command, if I type level advanced now, I'll be able to display advanced parameters. So actually the third plugin is the only one with an advanced parameter log function. And usually advanced parameter won't need to be changed often, and only if you have in-depth knowledge of how that plugin's working. So if I revert my level to basic, these are the default parameters everyone will see, and if you don't want to modify your level command, you can temporarily see all available parameters using disp-a, which will show all of the parameters available without modifying the level every time disp is used.